If you're new to teamwork.com and wondering how to create a project, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you exactly how to get started in just a few simple steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to launch a project with confidence, even if you've never used the software before. Before we dive in, make sure to check out the link in the description for an exclusive bonus that'll let you use teamwork.com for free. It's a limited time offer, so you don't want to miss it. Now let's get into how to create a project in teamwork.com. First things first, once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Projects tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your active projects will live, and this is where we'll start creating a new one. Click on the Plus New Project button at the top right corner. A window will pop up asking you to enter some basic details about your project. Start by giving your project a name, something clear and concise so you can easily identify it later. This could be the name of your client, the campaign you're working on, or a specific team initiative. Next, you'll need to assign a client to the project. If you're working on a project for a client, simply search for the client in the drop-down menu. If they're not already in your system, you can add a new client right there. This is a great feature for tracking who you're working with, especially if you have multiple clients or projects going on at once. Once that's set, you'll be prompted to choose a project template, which is a huge time saver if you've worked on similar projects before. Teamwork offers various templates tailored to different types of work, whether it's marketing, product development, or internal processes. If you don't see a template that fits, no problem. You can always start with a blank project and customize it to your needs. Now that you've got your project basics set up, you can begin to add details. Here, you can choose your project's privacy settings, whether it's private or public, and you can set permissions for who has access to the project. It's important to ensure that the right people have the right level of access, especially in team collaborations. One of the great things about Teamwork is its ability to break down your project into tasks, milestones, and timelines. You can easily add tasks right from the project creation screen. Just click Add Task, give it a name, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. Teamwork allows you to organize your project in a way that's visually clear and keeps everyone on track. If you need to collaborate with your team, you can add comments, attach files, and even integrate with other tools you're using, whether that's Google Drive, Slack, or something else. Teamwork.com is built to streamline your workflow, allowing you to manage all your tasks and communication in one place. Once you've added all your tasks, it's time to dive into the actual execution. As your team completes tasks, Teamwork lets you track progress with simple, easy-to-read dashboards that update in real time. This feature makes it easy to identify any bottlenecks and address them quickly. And here's the best part. Teamwork.com integrates seamlessly with other tools like email, calendars, and time tracking, so you'll never miss a deadline. Whether you're in marketing, design, development, or management, Teamwork helps keep everything organized and moving forward. So that's it. Now you know how to create a project in teamwork.com and set it up for success. If you're just getting started with this powerful tool, remember, there's a lot more to explore as you get comfortable. Don't forget to click the link in the description to access teamwork.com for free with our exclusive extended trial. This is your chance to experience the software with no commitment, so go ahead and give it a try.